Hello and welcome to Forward Money. We pride ourselves on offering straightforward savings, and opening an account with us is just as straightforward. In this short video, we'll show you everything you need to know about how to apply for a Forward Money savings product. Because we're all unique, our savings products are too. Once you've chosen the product that's right for you, click on Find Out More. This page will give you all the information you need about your chosen product. When you're ready to apply, select Apply Online. Before beginning the application process, we recommend that you download and read the Product Summary Fact Sheet, the Product Terms and Conditions, and the Customer Agreement before clicking Apply Online at the bottom of the page. If you're an existing customer, you can apply via the Fast Track route, as we'll already hold most of the information we need from you. If you're new to us, however, we'll need some more details from you. To start, select whether the account is just for you or a joint one for you and someone else. For security reasons, you'll need to enter the 5-digit code to verify you're a real person before you can move on to the next stage. Make sure to click Next to navigate through each step. Next, you'll be asked to fill in your personal details, including your full name, date of birth, and your nationality. You will also need to confirm your tax status. If your country of residence is outside the UK, you'll need to answer a few more questions and provide your tax identification number. To find your address, enter your postcode and select it from the list. Once selected, don't forget to confirm it. If your address cannot be found, you can enter it manually instead. You will need to provide a personal email address and contact number. Note that we will require at least a mobile number in order that we can send important security and account servicing information. You can also indicate if and how you wish Forward Money to contact you about new products and services. You'll then be asked to choose a password for your account. For security reasons, you will be required to enter a memorable date, name and place, together with your mother's maiden name. Make sure your answers can't be easily guessed by others, but can be easily remembered by you. You will have the opportunity to change these memorable details to something else once your account is up and running, and you will have a wider choice of questions to choose from. Now, it's time to enter the details of your nominated account. This is the bank or building society account you'll always need to make your deposits from, and where your money will always be paid into when you make a withdrawal. You'll also be able to select how frequently you'd like to receive your interest and which account you'd like it to be paid into. Next, you'll be asked to read and agree to our terms and conditions, including the customer agreement, product terms and conditions, and the product summary. Next, you will need to read and agree to our FSCS information sheet, which explains the Financial Services Compensation Scheme in more detail. Lastly, you will need to read the Data Usage Declaration. Please ensure you are comfortable with the content, and when ready, tick the box to confirm you have read, understood, and agreed to the information. We recommend that you download each document for your records. At this stage of the process, you'll be asked to review the details you've entered for correctness. Once you're sure everything is correct, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Submit. On the next screen, your temporary application reference number will be displayed. You'll need to use this number in all Forward Money correspondence until you receive your account number. Please also quote this temporary application reference number as your payment reference if you wish to make an initial deposit straight away using your internet banking. Please make sure you scroll down to the bottom of the screen and click Finish. You'll be taken to the following screen where you can take the opportunity to watch our other video that provides a useful overview of how to manage your new Forward Money account online. If your application is successful, You'll receive an email shortly afterwards reconfirming your temporary application reference number with details of how to make deposits into your account. Afterwards, you'll receive a second email with your customer ID within 24 hours. You'll then be able to log into your account using your customer ID and the password that you set up during the application process. Within a few days, you'll receive our welcome pack in the post, containing your new account number, reconfirmation of your customer ID, and useful information to help you manage your Forward Money account. Once in receipt of your account number, the temporary application reference number that you have been using is not necessary. So please ensure that you quote your new account number and the first 3 letters of your surname when making subsequent deposits using your internet banking. We'll also be sending you an additional letter containing a unique code, which you'll need to authenticate your nominated account details when you log on for the first time. Instructions on how to do this will be provided in the letter. This additional authentication step is to protect you and prevent any unauthorised activity on your account. In some cases, after you submit an application to us, we may require more information to confirm your identity and/or your address. Depending on the circumstances, you may either be offered the ability to upload your documentation to us online, or alternatively, requested to send a copy of the most recent document available to our free post address as soon as you can. And don't worry, uploading your additional documents couldn't be easier. Simply click on the Acceptable Proof Documents tab to see a comprehensive list of accepted documents. Once you're ready, select Upload Document Now. From there, you'll be taken to another page where you can select Start Upload Process. Select the type of document you wish to upload, locate it on your computer and then submit it using the Submit File button. We hope you found this video helpful. If you've any further questions or need a little more help, you can always visit the Help section on our website. We look forward to helping you save with Forward Money.